What does make the Sebo Dart a recommended vacuum for commercial applications? Well, long cord, 31 feet cord. The fact that it does have a hose on its side, so that when it comes to places where having an upright is not really handy, you could use this along with the accessory tools. A lot of people appreciate this over uprights that don't get a hose. The other thing is obviously the fact that because it is designed in the way it is, it lays flat. So when you have cubicles and chairs and office furniture or pews or whatever that you need to go under, you just need about a 6-inch clearance, worst case scenario. Another design feature with the Sebo is the fact that you can completely separate the head with the body, the canister, and use this where again, the upright configuration is not feasible or easy, but the most important feature design award with all of this goes to the ET1 power head, which is probably Sebo's or generally the best power head in the market for any application, specifically for commercial applications. This power head gets 4 adjustable height settings, so it can do any type of carpet, but it's perfect for commercial flat carpets. It has an on and off switch on the power head itself, which allows you to turn the brush roll off right here. So if you go from carpet to a bare floor, you don't want the brush roll spinning, you can control it there. It has a light that tells you if you're not on the right setting with the carpet, it goes red. And also if there is blockage or anything like that in the power head, it will go red, notify you to stop and take a look inside. And also if the brush has worn out enough that it needs changing, that light will go on and let you know. Generally also there's a trapdoor at the back of it, and removing and accessing the brush roll for maintenance, for cleaning on the ET1 power head is super easy, and that's one of the most important things with commercial applications. This vacuum, it's what you're doing with this is it's time is money, right? And you don't want a bad belt on the middle of the night or right before a weekend. You don't want something clogging this where you'd have to take the power head in for service. The whole idea is reliability to a point that your job can get done as efficiently as possible. When you use a vacuum for work, it's really, really important that it doesn't let any dust out. Throughout your shift, you're going to be breathing all the dust you vacuum. So that's where Sebos come highly recommended, because they have something called S-class filtration, which is really hospital-grade filtration, which they achieve by using a very high-quality bag, a filter in there, and this by itself is a filter. All of that means the air that is exhausted out of this vacuum is really, 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 really clean air, so you're not breathing dust all day long or night long, whatever your shift may be, because you're using this for work. All of that, this comes with a 3.5 liter dust capacity bag, and you do get a bag full indicator, so you're never guessing when you have to change the bag. The Sebo Dart has 2 motors in there. One is the motor that creates the suction, and one is the motor that runs the brush roll. It's a 1300 watt motor up in here where it creates the suction, and it's a 175 watt motor that turns the brush roll. That combination makes this vacuum one of the most powerful upright vacuums we have available in the market. Also the fact that, keep in mind, this vacuum does get a 12-inch path. So very powerful suction with a 12-inch path. Great machine. It's I would say just about 18 or 19 pounds. The thing is, it's an upright vacuum, so it is what it is in a way. Is it easy to maneuver? Well, yes, but remember, upright vacuums, and the reason why we're suggesting this for commercial applications is because the fact that generally with an upright vacuum, they are heavy, they are bulky, compared to a canister or a stick vacuum, and they do much better in large flat carpeted areas. If you have a lot of obstacles on the floor, imagine a home with a lot of chairs and dining tables and whatever, these things are not going to maneuver real nice and easy. And even if you wanted to get an upright for that particular application, consider the next model up, which is the Felix, because that pivot neck makes a huge difference. So is it easy to maneuver? Absolutely, but again, we like to recommend these mostly for large carpeted areas for commercial applications. This color, it's a combination of white and a navy filter, and that's pretty much it as far as Sebo Dart. Now, made in Germany, well, designed and made in Germany makes this one of the most reliable machines we can offer. Also, the fact that we give it a full, free shipping across Canada. 30-day money-back guarantee, 90-day price match guarantee, and because when we sell these in multiples to commercial applications, we do offer financing as well, so make sure, ask us about that. If I missed anything, if you have any questions, oh, by the way, remember, we are a Sebo warranty and service center, so if you ever needed work done, maintenance done after your purchase, we are here and more than happy to help. If I missed anything, 1-877-220-5656 is our toll-free number, or vacuumwarehouse.ca.